You making it for Auntie? Hello? It feel good out here. Dang. Alright, we are walking to the table. I'm with the ladies from work. Let's see here. I'll go in this way. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to the channel. We are at the poorhouse for lunch with the ladies. We are celebrating a birthday. So not gonna do too much talking because I'm with the work crew. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I get, but I won't be picking the camera up because I am with the work crew, and you know how people are. They don't like to be on camera too much. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I get. Pop in here and there, and yeah, let's go eat. Be back. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel, Tally TV. It's your girl Tally, and welcome back to another video. So today is Family Beach Day. I hope you guys can hear me because I'm currently in McDonald's. We had to stop, use the restroom. Babe wanted to pick up some hash browns, as if I didn't make sandwiches, chips, cheese, crackers, pickles, water, liquor. So yeah, we are going to meet up with the rest of the family shortly. So yeah, we just had to stop and use the restroom. See you guys shortly. Just doing my normal walk over, making sure. This is how it is when I picked it up, and this is how it's going to be when I return it. Alrighty. Something there. Just dirt. Alright. Let's get it. Made it to the beach, looking for a location to sit, park up, and do what we do. We gotta find one though. But beach is back here. She got tired of walking?
No, Terry was saying he don't want her to get tired.
Oh, we see you. I got in my purse. So the beach is pretty crowded. It's 12 o'clock. And it's pretty crowded. So what did you say, D? Oh. Oh, stinky toes. Ooh, Pooh. You making Auntie a sandcastle? You making it for Auntie? Hello?
She's done with all conversation for the rest of the day.
Stinky toes. Lori, are you making it for Auntie?
Say nope.
Don't listen to your uncle. You making it for me? Oh, who you making it for? I want you to make me one. Thank you. Ooh, Pooh.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you, Brady. Okay. Laura, you don't want to sit on the towel? You don't sit on your towel? No. No, thank you. I don't know what's hard. What's that? For ice cream. Oh, look. Serving ice cream.
It is a beautiful day and I'm with my mommy.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let them see my new haircut. Hi.
I know that's right. She is in love with this new haircut, y'all. She wanted her haircut so bad. And she finally got it.
Yep. And this is a perfect. Nothing on my head.
Mm-hmm. Ain't got to worry about you taking too long doing your hair. When we on vacation like me. And it's only going to last for a minute.
Huh. Thrasher's French fries. They just sell French fries?
Oh. Just French fries. Well, that other place has everything, so if you want to go there.
Yeah. These little shorts I got from Tar. She said, Mommy, I grew out of everything. Your sister's got the hippie.
Yes, join the club, yes, join the club. I ain't even had to be a child for that. Hold on. Okay, so me and Mommy are going to get something to eat. What?
Okay, they have onion rings, French fries.
Onion rings, hot wings, cheeseburgers, hot dogs, French fries,
cheesesteak,
fried Oreos. Got a couple things.
And I was thinking too. I was like,
okay, I'll have to mute that part.
you know what?
Yeah, you always getting on.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
I remember that shit.
down the hallway, thought he was Chris Brown.
What y'all know about the Midwest?
Well, they know what to do. That's the gyro at Ocean City from
That's the drum.
Pissy, y'all know. What kind is it?
Rainbow.
Rainbow?
Yep. Torch.
What?
3 torch.
She was up though.
I'm gonna have to try some later.
Torch.
Okay. Why are you so close? What are you looking for? Huh? You just keep walking up. It's no food for you to get. No chicken wings, no french fries. It's like, no, there's some fries, but I don't want to throw them to him and all his friends come. Hell no. They out here like the Bird movie. That's what he looking for now, food. You real close, sir. I'm gonna need you to back up. What are you looking for? You want to be friends? Huh, you walked off when I said that. Where are your friends? Why you by yourself? You're a loner? I can understand that. Okay, bye. And don't come back over here stalking people. I told you was looking for food. When I leave, I'll throw you the scraps, but not until I leave. You're not about to call your brothers and your sisters and your cousins. Right. Is it good, Ma? Mm-hmm.
Not too sweet.
Yeah. What you get, sherbet?
This is the icy.
Hold up.
Nope.
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
No. Just sitting out here on the beach with the babe. The family is at the, what you call it? The little rides, the little park. I had enough. I had to come sit down, okay? It's just something about being at the beach. It's just peaceful. It's my type of party. No, dang.
Want to wash your feet? No.
Okay, I'll wash them a little bit. Ah, oh my goodness. This one is for this one.
I was going to say. I ain't getting the sand like that. Lori needs to be in there. Just rinse off.
But then, ew.
Huh?
All this sand right here is not really helping, because
Right. Okay.
You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G block stainers. And we got adopted by some 5'4" strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that great shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you.
bottom of his feet. So it must be some cement. Because when it rains, it's
Holding it up, yeah. Smart. What'd you say? I'm pretty to look at, nice to hold, but if you break me, consider me so. Girl, chuck it up. Let me try to get a shot glass everywhere I go, but I ain't even going to. Ooh. Look my no hand.
Look my no hands and no darling. I don't
No, that's right. What you want to do backwards?
Get damn right.
What she do? Oh, wow.
I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it. Slowly. I know you want it. I know you want it. I'm over and check up on it. Got it. Slowly. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it.
Yeah. What drink is that? Oh, Long Island.
Come over and check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it.
Sun has gone down, and we are going to the car. Oh, y'all stopping with mommy? What y'all getting a picture? It's time to go. Sun gone down, it is time to go. Hair looking crazy, but we had a good time.
Hey.